Manufacturers are facing a storm in 2025. Supply chain disruptions, rising costs, and an unpredictable market. But here's the thing. Every challenge brings an opportunity for those ready to innovate. And that's exactly where Salesforce Manufacturing Cloud comes in. Salesforce Manufacturing Cloud equips you with tools to turn these challenges into competitive advantages. Forget about outdated spreadsheets. With sales agreements, you can align production with real demand by directly linking your contracts to revenue forecasts and inventory planning. It's all about precision and efficiency. Imagine having an AI that predicts demand for you, helping you to cut costs and reduce waste. With real-time insights, your decisions aren't just informed, they are game-changing. Your technicians can do more than just fix problems. With Agentforce, they are equipped to deliver faster service, check inventory on the go, and even upsell, all from one easy-to-use mobile tool. It's about having the right tools to stay ahead of the curve by making life easier for you, your teams, and the customers. 2025 doesn't have to be about surviving, it can be about thriving. With Salesforce, you can streamline your operations, boost your efficiency, and build a future-ready business. This could be you.